Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can send snap from your camera roll as a normal snap. So whenever we try to send video from our gallery, it's not going to be sent as a snap. But today, by following the step which I'm going to show you, you guys should be able to send your snap from your camera roll as a normal snap. So follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing, after opening Snapchat, you want to click on the search icon at the bottom left of your screen. Click on the search icon, and once you're over here, you want to click on search at the top. Once you click on search, you want to search for gallery upload. Now once you search for gallery upload, the first option you want to click on upload gallery. Once you do that, what you want to do is you want to select the picture or the video which you want to send. So let's say I want to send this picture over here. It's a screenshot of my phone. Let's say I want to send this as a snap to my friend. What I can do is click on this little picture icon at the bottom of my screen. I will click on it and a photo will be taken just like this. Once I take the photo, I can click on send to at the bottom right and choose the person to whom I want to send it to, and click on this little arrow button at the bottom right, and it's going to be sent to that person as a snap. So let me just show you that it has been sent as a snap. I go it over here, and as you guys can see, it says delivered. So that's how you guys can send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.